The DCV file type is tricky. It's either a highly encrypted volume from DriveCrypt or an old Kodak photo. If you don't have the password, the encryption type matters. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's identify which one you have. I'm saving the most convenient solution for last. We will demonstrate the power of a single DCV file inspection application that effortlessly manages complex troubleshooting across all file formats. The DCV is digitally recognized globally as belonging to the virtual machine file family. It utilizes the DriveCrypt Encrypted Volume format. The DCV file is a highly proprietary, encrypted virtual disk container created by DriveCrypt software. It functions as a hidden, secured volume that contains other files and folders, providing strong, on-the-fly encryption for all data placed inside it. Developed by SecureStar, the design rules focus on maximum encryption security. The file structure is protected by advanced cryptographic algorithms and is inaccessible without the DriveCrypt application and the correct passphrase. Attempting to open the file with any standard Windows tool will result in a request for a cryptographic key or reveal unreadable binary junk data. The native handling utility for DCV files is DriveCrypt by SecureStar. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full content inspection relies on dedicated tools. Windows cannot interpret the contents directly, so VM tools must open them. Open the menu by right-clicking your DCV file and choosing Open With. Try DriveCrypt first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error process is essential for troubleshooting. If the DCV file won't budge, stay calm. Let's quickly diagnose the core issue. Before we implement the universal tool, here are the technical causes that lead to this persistent DCV problem. First, check file accessibility, SSL. If it is an SSL validation file, verify the file is externally accessible via the required URL structure using a web browser. Next, retry validation. After confirming accessibility, log into your SSL certificate provider's account and click the Retry Alt DCV or Save Changes / Retry button to force a check. Finally, check DVC Remote, DVC. If it is a DVC file, ensure all local changes have been pushed to the remote with DVC Push and verify credentials with DVC Remote Modify. If normal apps cannot interpret the file header, the specialized decoding platform is necessary. It's the best way to try and unlock the DCV file. This is the moment to stop struggling with standard software limitations on your DCV file. Your professional solution is File Magic, a universal viewer that ignores standard restrictions. You can find it at filemagic.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future. I've used this exact fix countless times.